A wonderful day to you all. Good day, everyone. Depends on your time frame and location you're watching me from. A quick broadcast. Please, if you are watching, just quickly share this broadcast right away. And as you all know, a time like this is bound to happen. Please just kindly share this broadcast, and I think I have a word for this. History must be written down. We have been saying that freedom is not free. You have to pay sacrifice for it. A very huge sacrifice you pay. And it is very dehydrating and disgusting that I think the most stupid people in the world, some of them, not all, please, if you are watching, don't take it personal, are the black race. I found out that we doesn't need freedom. And no wonder they've accepted that they are slaves. I think in the 18th century, precisely, there was called Jim Crow law in our United States of America, where the black people cannot enter the same transport, train, they cannot be in the public domain with the white people. Someone fought for it. Then Martin Luther King grew up. In 1964, Martin Luther King was murdered in a cold blood. What was he fighting for? The right that you are enjoying today. That Oyibo, they call you racist. Someone fight for it. Now ask me. Ask yourself, what are you fighting for? Then I see people celebrating Nnamdi Kanu's arrest. Come on. The one that is calling for you is much. That's why I've really prepared myself in all these things. Now, if for those of you that do study your Bible, Jesus Christ saw a building in Galilee. He told them, this building you are seeing will be destroyed. And he thought they will be rebuilt. It too happens. This man have said it several times. He said he preferred to be jailed. Why are you people celebrating war? Patani Gumi is there. What this guy is he not Patami now? He's there. Sakao Gumi is there. This guy, Boko Haram leader, is there. They did not arrest them. Why are you guys not talking about your problem? I can't get it clear. So area ezuo huwario iwaje. No, na ditu na mumu. The same way Sowore was arrested, a lot of people was celebrating. Okay, they arrest Nnamdi Kanu, good, they arrest him. Let him assume his enemy is no longer alive. And so what? TB Joshua not die. We not lost Bishop Besson in Daosa. What was TB Joshua fighting for? At least he have made the name. Let him assume now, may God not let bad thing happen. They succeeded in killing him. He have made the name. You know, even better, do you know what is coming for you? Have you been able to confirm what they are putting inside your system? Have you been able to confirm Ozuo? What they are putting inside your system, you don't know. He's still far better than you today, whether you like it or not. I'm surprised about people. No, follow come. Is it the problem of Nigeria? Okay, that one I make it now. You will first Zuo before Makami door. You can't see your husband now. Or you will be said you don't get boyfriend. Then they fuck you, they throw away. You can't see boyfriend now. I can't get it clear. You should be thinking about yourself. The same thing Jesus told the people. He said, when it will be taken through Via Doloroso, the painful tree, the women of Jerusalem, they were mourning him. He told them, think about yourself. You should be feeling for yourself. If they can do this one to Nnamdi Kanu, what about you? Okay, does that Nnamdi Kanu, they arrest Nnamdi Kanu, does that make you to fly your children from abroad to Nigeria? Or does that make those states from Fulani herdsmen invading them? Or does that stop a Bafeti from destroying houses, illegal building? Or does that stop a Noge from collecting your houses? Then what's your problem? What will be your problem? I can't get it clear. So the game you have people are today, Spainers who fought for it. People spitted their blood for it. These are part of the thing you pay. Nelson Mandela spent 27 good years in jail. 27 years now he spent for jail. So it felt they happen. So don't celebrate it. You should be thinking about what you are putting inside your system on Monzo. Your death is going to be worse than if you don't know now. The one we are going through, Nnamdi Kanu is better than us living here in Western world now. Because you can't know it because you have been a fool. There's no way you can know about it. Every reasonable person should go on his closet and sit down. What is about to before us as a Nigerian? We are supposed to be thinking who will go to and start speaking for us. I wonder, you are following some idiot who is already frustrated in Europe. If the European deport you today, can you stay in your country? Okay, all of you now, they are arrested the terrorists that will be terrorizing you. What about Sheikh Gumi? What about Sheikh Gumi that have been negotiating with terror? They know. He even said it that he is better than the terrorists that will be killing you, killing your mother, the farm, raping you. Some of your mother, Fulani don't fuck them. Because shame not let them talk. Some of your mother, if you don't know now, some of your auntie, Fulani don't fuck them. Why are we celebrating stupidity? This is how you people celebrate. So already arrest and celebrate. Amigo, they want to arrest and celebrate. Must you keep on? Okay, who is going to fight for you tomorrow? Who do you think is going to fight for you? You think the federal government of Nigeria, do you think they are looking to kill you? Nnamdi Kanu is always standing on their way. They are not after Nnamdi Kanu. They are after you. Which? Very stupid people. I will tell somebody, if there's another planet, I will go. I'm so surprised that people living in this era, most of them, they are very useless. Think about the life of your children. Whether you have a home to take them to tomorrow. Think about it. Does that stop Benin or a road from an accident happening there? Does that solve the crisis you have in your Edo state? Or does that solve the problem? Does that solve them to now increase salary? As soon as they cannot be the federal government of Nigeria will be borrowing money on your detriment or Monzo. Is it the one? You should be at least have sober reflection for one for your life. Have sober reflection for one. Think about once for your life. You are about being killed. You are be bioengineer, and if you don't know now, no. Something's in your system that the day when they go on now that they turn that go track. Who will find any Jesus? You don't know what's about to before you. You are there celebrating nonsense. They don't fed Olusegun Obasanjo don't go prison. From prison, who does it become? The Joseph you are reading the Bible that made Joseph head kill you. Joseph not go prison for Egypt before he become a prime minister. Do you know what God have arranged now? Joseph, where they read for Bible, where you read there for they made Joseph kill now. So now they celebrate una yeye nonsense. Was he not a prisoner? If you have ever one day you Joseph to do comparison to make prayer, now God will punish you there. No wonder everybody call a black monkey. You guys are here constituting nuisance. I'm a pastor to know why not lekpa. Why not go back to your country? Now you fix this country. Spanish, they spirited their blood in 1930 something. German, there was an Holocaust there. Adolf Hitler killed millions of people that you are enjoying today. You are celebrating instead of you to sit back and begin to think what's about to before us right now. Are they be having human rights there? 2019, this was the same river I came to come and pray for Sowore. Look at it. I was only one of the Nigerians who took it upon myself. I know when I pray, something happened in Aso Rock. You guys have been there, microwave, whatever. Freedom fighter now be. Your life is as risky and nobody to speak for you again. Then you are romancing. Does that make Nigeria to stop borrowing money? Does that not make Nigerians arresting Nnamdi Kanu stop Nigeria from borrowing money? No wonder. I think I'm going to drop this thing. No, now soon now go fight for again for food. Who will suffer with any Jesus? One of suffer. Una way they fed the kid their pack their man for fun. Not a distance and I see that away 1.2. Look at it. It was here I came to come and make a pronunciation. I've been in solidarity with top freedom fighter. I don't have any personal gain inside. Who is to help us here? Jesus Christ was taken away. Jesus Christ was arrested because what he came for was something that is mandated from heaven. He was arrested, Jesus. But little did they know, the facts, they done their worst. But the third day, there was a resurrection power. The same thing you guys were saying now, Donald Trump talk about. But today, what's happening? The one that you are facing, my dear, Nnamdi Kanu on good. Nnamdi Kanu even dey heaven. You now here you dey. You don't know what's about before you. All work and not play make Jack a dull boy. Because they go just break. If your reasoning faculty is even working, you should know where you are in a mess in your country. Now I know that. No wonder Nnamdi Kanu said, he still remain my lead, he still remain my grand patriot in Africa. Whether I like it or not, I'm still in solidarity with him. I'm in solidarity with him. Still, even at his grave, I choose to stand for what is right, irrespective. But the one that is coming for you will be more than and more deadly. You are going to be controlled like zombie. Go and check what is inside of you. Animals. Black man does not worth fighting for in this life. You guys does not worth fighting for in this life. And I know that no wonder man people everywhere. What are you celebrating for? That somebody that still to fight for your mothers. No wonder you doesn't have interest about other people. Other people matter not concern you just for you to campaign and get your election. I'll see at the arrest and I'll see peace one day in Nigeria. Now Nigeria put themselves for problem. If you don't celebrate yet. Now Nigeria put themselves for problem. Now Nigeria put themselves for problem. You animal fool, you don't know what you are doing. No wonder they are collecting your children everywhere abroad. No wonder we both will collect your children because they know you are an animal. I refuse to be underestimated here, John. I always they talk say my level won't pass now because I get what they give to the society. They know I build their house for them. If you are looking for the best Daki Tyler in the whole Europe, I think I should be number one. Ask anybody, they know it's in my profile. I'm useful here. Are you useful? Are you yourself useful? What can you give out? Celebrating your goddamn stupidity. Any freedom fighter they catch you now they happy. Look at it, amigo, the other day. All of them they celebrate. What would you be celebrating it? Celebrating it for what? Celebrating it for what? So Wale was arrested. You guys will never join any struggle. 20 years from now, you're the peaceful house. You will be the women. You know what you can do for Jan. Did you have a home to call your own? Was he doing it for only himself? If he needed money from the federal government, no, he get them. If he needed money from the federal government, no, he get them. Are they been able to arrest the Fulani? Are you not ashamed of yourself? That they are using you against your own brethren. Then you are happy. Okay. Can't kill your brother Abe. Does that make him to be the accepted one? Think it yourself. When Cain take kill your own brother Abe, God come accept and say, hey, Cain, you are succeeded in killing your brother Abe. Come. I will accept you. Right now, I will accept the offering. It does not make him. That's one thing. That's a lot of area where there are misconceptions. So do not celebrate anything. He have made a name. If anything happened today, he have made a name. His name rain past Nelson Mandela on. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in imprisonment because of you idiots. No wonder. The people that have made up their mind, they will never fight for any Daki. Also, that one day, particularly some stupid Edo people. All the Bawag something is cooking in that state. Look at the state you are today. Governor where you support, if you dare position, you will get power. The next person go lose strength. Now that country, now that better country. The very day I confirm it, I never even know say now so stupid Edo politics be say governor where you win. The next person, the opposition, all of them will come be like ants. If you even destroy their house, collect their wife, collect car from them, they're not going to get strength. If I people know, I'm not going to talk for their election. Why would some be underestimated? Now that state you want to call, now that country they call your own. You are joking. That's a country you call your own. That when governor where you campaign for win, you go get strength. The other person where you lose, you get to pack and load, come on for the country. Una never know where una dey. Una never, the one where una dey so, or so una the Kano. So why are they good? Look at the old activists we got him. So Ware is still in custody because they never leave on. Una the Kano is gone. He's in their custody. Maybe tomorrow now they go arrest his on the go. Who going to speak for you, animal? You don't know that Nigeria is kicking you again. Does that stop your country from borrowing money? No. Does this stop you now? You will not feel responsible, become responsible? No. Does that stop you from me? I not talk some cantines. I don't want to offend a lot of people because some one or two idiots who do make we fall out. Come and tell me what you are giving to your country. Come and tell me what you are giving to your country. Come and tell me, a lot of people, you know what I can do. Come and tell me the experience you got here. All of them. I've been on one who come and I say, many people don't confuse me or lay. Left for what? What be you? Who be una? Who be una? Nonsense. Oh man, person where they kill una, now they celebrate. Gumi, Shakao Gumi up to now, the leader of terrorists. Who negotiate money on their behalf. Una never call for your arrest. Patani uko. Una don't call for your arrest, no. Who be mumu here? You think that the world they are watching you people. The world they are watching you people. They are watching your stupidity. No one that don't. You have a deport to Wabana. You have a deport to Wabana. Now, small I remember. Let me celebrate. It gets some countries where it go happen. No matter the difference between you and that person, at least you go see try to see what you fist do. Because the illness of Nigeria, now the guy they talk about, you don't want to be governor. Why are you doing my people like this? I've been problem. Then you they join Nigerian government, they call them terrorists. If not real terrorists, what you na put hand? It go better for una. If not be terrorists, una want join federal government of Nigeria because una be politician. Then if they fight for people who don't fit fight for themselves, una son no need that say now una want stay Nigeria. Now God I go punish all of una. No wonder I be saying this thing. Doing so worry time. I come find and say, out of all the old foolish take it back. Now let me want to carry this thing for her. I can't wonder what's happening. I can't say, okay, make her see what will go happen again. Or now this one can't tell me and say, me, all these animals, never you follow anybody to do anything. All of them, the animal. I saw one useless company, the post where they share. They share post where they say Bradford. Not be Bradford, say nah, say nah. So take it back wana hina. No wa ho wana. Agwema waropa. No wonder una zuafe wepo. I who wa winana. Nwakere fabrika wana wina. You are not a skilled laborer anywhere. You cannot eventually put one particular job. You are being abroad, say they do for 30 years. Wait it more your because no sense. Now everything that they celebrate. Did you see me? Say they arrest, they want arrested an amigo. I can't hear, they celebrate, say me they arrest him. I only corrected him. As a freedom fighter, when one is down, you have to stand for him. I will say now that one way they now even make me scorn down. We're responsible for once. I know they celebrate other people's failure because it doesn't know tomorrow. What you bring a problem? They are coming and celebrating. Celebrating for what? What are you celebrating? They are saying not the canon. Do you think they are looking for it? They want to frustrate your life. Okay, we go to speak for you again now. Who will speak for you again now? Animal. Where they were raping Igbo people, Igbo mothers in Imo State. What did you do? As many people they have killed Fulani, they go call in Jesus' name. I be say make a relax first, but I see there is a sense, and I want to also advise all the followers. One thing you have to do, this thing, God want to try your faith. God want to try your persistency, and He want to really try your zeal towards what you claim you are fighting for. You know, when Jesus Christ was nailed to the cross, He was carried, He was arrested, you know. They took Him away. They bruised Him. I know Peter was seeing flesh in a little bit in the book of Luke 22. If you read it from verse 59, Peter denied Jesus, but he later realized and said, okay, now, God forgive me. And Jesus Christ did forgive him, you know, because Jesus Christ knows what He's doing. And all of that. Then, along the line, a lot of things happened. That the disciples, they waited. After they succeeded in killing Jesus, he was buried. They confirmed and said he died. Then Pontius Pilate was with his body. Then do you know the person that went to go and meet Pontius Pilate? It was Joseph Arimathea. In the book of Matthew 27, verse 57. He went and met Pilate. He said, please, give me the body of my master. Some of the disciples, they waited. People like Peter, they waited. They waited to see the resurrection. I tell you, I will stand. See, agitate, irrespective of whatever they may have. All power will say, we're not there nowhere or rule because a macro tip in it. Here can mete when you get away and ruin Jesus. Oh, why I got musalo, why are you? Why no done it all? A microchip in Wariani, or can musalo you work, but when I won't down Wahini. I'll be here trying to help. Okay, my do people, my Asian people, my Igbo people, I want to help them. I will keep the information for myself. You're ignorant, going to kill you. God not going to use water this time. He's going to use your foolishness to kill you. Your foolishness will kill you this time around. Go and mark my word. So, as I was saying, my brothers, that was how it happens. So they waited. A lot of disciples, some of them went away. They went for their normal jobs and all of that. But people like Peter, they waited. John, they waited. A lot of them, they waited. They waited. Even up to Jesus Christ, Mother Mary. She waited. She was the one who first of all know that Jesus Christ had risen. But what gave them the encouragement was what Jesus Christ said. That the Son of Man will be killed. He will be buried, and the third day he will be resurrected. And he even tell them a parable. It was not that clear. But una the Kanu have been saying it several times with that number. People have been dying. We all know. Fella died in Nigeria struggle. A lot of people have been dying. It will not be today. I think there is news everywhere now. War kill TB Joshua and all of other. But that not businessmen. He sleep and not wake up. At least he really attests. And una say me come house. I think he don't come house now. Wanna go chop on there. Nigeria, nana the one no say man. Yes, waiting the poor one. Una not even know who they una the kind of back. All of una just the rant. Most of the posts you may be writing right now, people may be keeping it because they say believe in freedom. Or they say believe in freedom. So go to follow platform. Those ones don't already desire, they want to live their life. Those ones, they know what you are looking for. But you cannot insult the Fulani who have kept you in bondage for long. You cannot insult those ones who say you cannot insult them. You cannot insult the people who is giving you injection without your notification. They are putting chip inside of you. Bastard, you cannot insult them. What has Nnamdi Kanu done? Is it part of the people that are putting chip into you? No. Has they collected your land? No. He has not done anything to you. Is it the one in custody of your oil? Well, no. What has he done? If you are not being stupid. I saw one idiot. If I catch that guy for Jan, why let him, my brother? He not with Jan, then. He not the kunwe. Then he will be my pani agboe. I not be a papa. Una few gume, my brother. He tell you, Jay. He the ticket he book on pani. Ah, guy, a calabinary nore. They know me for this. Yeah, I video near will protest in Italy. Book on pani agboe. Well, that's for market to not beg my brother. I not be a papa. That is who me what violate. My madness medicine. He may say that as you see me, so my head not correct like that. When it comes to some kind of things. Who walk where you be? My when I so boy you be. I will tell Bass, please. Deja me los dos. Vamos a pelear. I must beg them. May they all give me a time more. Ni magele wag bekpa. I want to be with my way. Now that kind of freedom fighter I be. At the combine and nothing and annoyance together. My brother not go there. Ina me Is sakmana no one rabi you. That is. Oh, that is. God will want punish you. The angel they fall from heaven. Not triumph. Not triumph. That is a grace pass you. Damn. Why do I feel like I'm going? Don't hold your peace there, because you are a slave, and that slave you will remain. What about that one? I not be like that. I know it's you. Guys, I pay my due. I pay my due correctly. Mona, all of una mona just quack me. Make una just quack me. Mona they celebrate una stupidity there. Arrest you Nnamdi Kanu. Does that make you to build us abroad? No. It doesn't make you to build us abroad. Okay, federal government arrest you Nnamdi Kanu. Can federal government arrest you? Not be who they relevant they arrest. Look at the old freedom fighter we have. They are arresting us. Then you have the cause to celebrate. Did you ever one day pray for pray for Sowore? This was the river I came to come and make decree. The very day I pray after 3 days, someone died in Asoro. And they want to go now. While we're going, right now, people still there now. People will start falling again. Women will see right now. We are talking about the freedom of the people. People can no longer access their farm. Because you are one stupid politician. Your governor where you support go win. Then the next person will not win. Then they'll come go hide. Why not do it equal right? If me no say na so Edo State politics be. No, man, no. I know the entire people. Megwayo. If me no say na so na stupid politics be. Me tough for una matter. Usa. You are happy today now, yes. Your governor had the power. What about your governor come on tomorrow? Have you ever wanted to think about it? What about your governor come on tomorrow? Then you are celebrating this mess. Don't you know that? If the enemy want to cause the sheep to scatter, you know what they do? They will kill the shepherd. It's in topic there. If the enemy want to cause the sheep to scatter, what they do, they kill the shepherd. That's what you are saying. All what you are seeing today is biblical. You are a directing account. Have you ever one day talk? You don't talk about it. After all, you don't talk about it. It does not business you in anything. It does not business you in anything. I wonder why people will be allowed, they'll be misbehaving. Misbehavior everywhere. Why no reason for one day? And say, this life I'm living, how am I going to succeed? You are not thinking about yourself. People will be dying if you don't know. People will be dying. After Martin Luther King, he made the speech in 1964, I think April. Now they kill him. That the freedom you enjoy today made Martin Luther King here kill you. What are you fighting for? You are supporting the Janjaweed Nigeria. They are arrested on the camp. Is he really a terrorist now? What better what be you are? Is he really a terrorist? Is it really a terrorist? Nonsense. Hello. Who take your phone number? May I broadcast? What go on? Hey, rebroadcast. No problem. People don't cry. People don't cry since. Not because they want to go Igbo State. Okay, who will not be talking to these people? The plan they have to invade the whole Nigeria. It was Nnamdi Kanu that stopped it. You have the infantry to write ESM as a terrorist. Terrorists will locate you now abroad here you day. You must face deportation one day. And whatever country you are living, they must locate you and give you problem. Because these same people you are seeing today, they all join hand together to fight for their countries. These are you that you are collecting or camp where you do, whatever benefit you have gotten. Now people stand, fight, put. But you say you don't want to join hand. May your people live good life for house. Because why? You don't dare join. You not go better for now. Wanna go, since you people have been fighting, the fight will be fighting, you check up your life. Come and brag the way I'm bragging right now. Now me they build house for Spanish. Then well. I'm a respected engineer. What are you doing? Tell me what you can do. Unkept idiot. I see what you know again inside. What affect one affect all. Now this same all of all they suffer. And those that have not benefited anything from Nigeria. You and I, the road to our house is no good. We cannot sleep with light. Is you as soon as they cannot occupy any position in Nigeria? Even the people that be killing you, the government that owe you 30 billion water storm projects from don't foolish fool. You cannot ask. Oh. You cannot ask. One of my brother today said they collect the land. These are okay. I see guests with the collect the land. What about other people who not even get voice? This is what people will be passing through. This is what people will be passing through. So if we have a real country, can you balance that they collect the land from you? No, it will not happen. Then all of you are here misbehaving. They'll come go from one click. Where you go lodo when where you go lodo undan. Ya ondo. Where my say no ondo. Iwunu na the can talk bowa. Where ya ondo. Put your Venza for this thing. Say you they drive Venza for Jant. Down the thing for Facebook. Constituting nuisance. Which way boy they see say they stay social media. Carry my video to anywhere. They were the same thing we did in Rome. Where some Roman animal today, before they come out, they don't come out. Have they protected you one day? You get person name, I want watch, make that man make another video again. You are sageful. He can't forgive you, they will forgive you. Because what if we are hate pass? Let not begin to gamble with our freedom. Irrespective of the differences. You are giving the Nigerian government the strength to say what they are doing is good. Now take it back when I not join. I wanna leave them, make them go. Okay, then where you wanna which life una day? You don't come live, just come play. Or always doing political correctness. You could not do it like this. Why not join any struggle? Why not join in any struggle? Join a struggle. I'm not Igbo man, but why did I join them? I've read the Bible because una claim now una bring Christianity come. Now I join una. Una say at the course at times they join her because I not to believe on that una holy. That's why they use Ogungo and see they serve till they kill una. I'll see swear the Ayala wona the serve swear for una. Even at times say Jesus' name, Jonah, may forgive because of what you believe. You shall have what you say. Now be me be that. Now, according how you read your Bible, what verses of the Bible permit you? This your stupidity. What verses of the Bible permit you? Say you can live the kind of your useless life and you make it in life. These are white men. They'll go parliament. Immigration law, they go change them. There was a time in 2017, Italy was no Iran amigo, a new year in Usiego, Iran amigo, Jabo. If Iran amigo storm Italy like this, or when we are capable of freedom fighter, now but therefore no, I make me join at that time. If Ramigo come Italy, Itapo, I welcome Ramigo. No, Ramigo na do mwegbe area. Ramigo uegbe. Ramigo you do yourself. Itapo now one hand he go take call. He go just call them like they don't run down. That man was like a CIA from America. On a mwegbe area. On a do idiot like agbe. Ramigo you be away ya ballon one. Very ya mwegbe to them man. You eat tapo now they follow that man, they work tapo. That man will not join. Una rubbish life for them. I know all of them now. Right from time. This man where they tell the do it. Now make coffee call. Mama me and the go now. Mama we guy go now. Igbini ma wo we ima hin mu la po. Ye social media. Ya iwa Italy was your la dian. O wa gbe mi wa do boy wo kon se. Ya iwa Italy wa do boy wo kon. O wa gbe mi ba se. A nonsense now, you guys must have to stop it. Did nonsense of all the time. Try to fight a freedom fighter when he's fighting for the people. You guys started this from around Migo town. Una use an so worry. Right now the Kanu. Now don't did this life. Would you people fight for a struggle? Which one thing have you people done in your life? You can never do it. Doing cheap broadcasts every here and there. I have said it. Even the Guardia Civil State police, they know that anytime I catch you, I'm gonna fight you. I swear to God, I'm gonna die. I'm not going to make no fight now. Mona just go to do training because we must fight or because I be freedom fighter. I want you to use your example. What kind of threat is all that? No say that all work cannot play make Jack a double. When even the white is here, ask every white man around you. Make it tell you the situation of your country. Make it tell you the situation of your country. They know that Nigeria is rich. They know that our leader is treating us bad. Here you are celebrating. Then you are happy. You are happy that Nnamdi Kanu is arrested. Cheka Ogumi, where? This one for Savessa Forest, where? Kidnapper where they Benile Auntie Road, where? Una don't go arrest them. The Fulani that be raping your mothers and your fathers in the farm. Have you caught anyone? No, you can't caught anyone. You are celebrating Nnamdi Kanu. He has made up his name. He has made up his name. So now you know. But what is going to happen to you here in Jant? Now it go pass. All of us, I tell you, we are at war. This one is here. Something there here. You know what they want you to do? Whether they are going to bomb your fucking ass, you know, you can't know. Now you want to know. Animal fool, a slave will know. You think that can't be your leader body? Useless, useless cell of Nikompo everywhere. Now the wagawa sagebe. Me wari binana lato. I just pray God, make God push these people, let them find me physically. God, just send some people, let them find me physically. Namo social media. Ya tout sin ya wina e rameta ni ya wina ina save you afen one wa segbebo one way yes e bo ya me. What kind of stupid that is that? So what they arrest na so na they celebrate. When an amigo go Italy for protest na so na make a news run. Muna no come out to una Roman people no come out. Then they come out. These people ranting on media today. Animals. I don't know that. That's why I have said it. Me and you will not fit play. Now for this life, we not fit play. If everybody can have the camera, because I have known you people. Bunch of slaves. You are here in Europe. I got my resident. I got my Italian sojourner. Waiting, we different there between Nigeria and Italy. Not be numero de identification. Numero de identification. It's not what they call them for Italy. Why you not go your Nigeria go stay? People eating our money. 30 billion or mamuna. Water some project. Wamamino yaguan. Now they can't be your problem. Una they can't have a boo. I always sacrifice for what? Nonsense. You are celebrating your stupid. They are coming for you now. Just wait. They are coming for you. Maybe before December. Ime wa we neru na megi neru no kwa no wade agbon ya enu wa yo bo wa wo kan gbelu wa we ni Jesu na wetu na use no hand do na go kill na I will not pray for any of you again. You over set now. I don't draw the red line. Menat, you know, do I do go wagon? No, why I will. Oh, I fear more. No, that oh, he salad you are going to read Jesus. When why I won't done. All of them, they go to do anyhow. They go to do anyhow. This is a thing that has to do with everybody. Nobody have ever wanted, not even your governors, has talked about it. They have been killing him. What have Opus Odima do? Nothing. They have been killing in a river. What have a wicked do? Nothing. Not be Benayade of a Cross River. Not be the camp that day. Many are still decamping. Why they decamping? They want to kill you. Don't they say we have been telling you, hey, Mona, don't worry, no. My dear, that chip, microchip is the best thing. Me, I go take my own. I go update my whole Facebook today. I've taken the first job. Stupid set of idiots who does not want freedom. Check your life now. Imagine when all of them. They never have people who not get happy people for all of them. In this one life, you are living in a foreign land. When are you going to go back home? You think can't kill his brother Abel? Does that make him a accepted one? Can't wait kill your own brother Abel? Kill him. Does that make God to accept his sacrifice? No. God caused him and become a vagabond. And all of the day post video. We're not going to wear on where my son or road. Where on the if this life is where my son or road. Yeah, is anywhere. Yeah, me I was anywhere. Heroic or can you hear it? Yeah, was anywhere. Where on the where am I done when I'm if you don't fight out Uya no we are talk where am I done? Where am I done? No consulting news on social media. It's everybody body. And they arrest and so what? They're not go arrest them. You know how many people they don't arrest for America? Go may you go ask where Hillary Clinton day. I'm telling you now, go and ask where Hillary be Clinton wife. Mona go ask where they. One woman arrest for America. One woman no Reagan will spare. One woman have violate Guantanamo. They arresting her. And so what? If they arrest her and so what? And so fucking what? Why am I some of you are not go human trafficking jail for Europe. Who do you fight for? Some of you are not go human trafficking jail for Europe. Some of you are not go drug jail. They're not fun and the one that is coming for you tomorrow, you cannot even bear it. Because a chipini, or when waya who don't salad you wagbe in Jesus. A chipini got salad you wagbe. Your federal government that went to go and liaise with the European Union. May they come give the message, say, may they carry on Nigeria. You cannot detect anything because you are an animal. You can't detect anything because you are an animal. If the world say coronavirus day your country, then you will say a true day. How many of you daughters have been able to find out and say, okay, now what have they put inside your system? You can't say it now because you're an animal. All of them enjoy freedom of speech. When Martin Luther King got Togbo, Martin Luther King was assassinated in 1964. He was assassinated, not be today start. Hey, Nelson Mandela, freedom fighter. Hey, free Mandela, free Mandela. He spent 27 good years in jail. Nice spent. You don't want to go jail for anybody, but this chip will kill you in a hurry in Jesus' name. I pronounce today, as many of you carrying this news around, if you have taken this very injection, then you have networking, or you have Jesus. So, where ESN are terrorists, off with a Nurio boy, man. If you not the kind of reset up IPOP as a terrorist organization, not be saying set them up to tell liberating people. What do you thought for this life go good for you? You will see your children. But they say you the federal government of Nigeria. One label this mouth, the name will not be all you want given. My dear, it's just on Urieni, okay, I go any Jesus. Oh, but what he has even okay work. Oh, but all he has even okay work. It's just on your man, Emmanuel Beni Jesus. Chipini, okay, vibrating with baby Jesus. Very stupid generation. When will you people be remorse for once? In 2019, I was sweating everywhere. I even fought an amigo because of Sowore. Because of what he said about Sowore. I even fought an amigo. The video is there. Go and look at it. I'm a sincere person. What did I say an amigo? Not the insult Sowore, leave him. I fought him. He's there. Me, I don't know how to use let math what people do well. Never. I can't do it. Because now only one life. Now if I die, I'll be meat. Do you know what you want to put to you tomorrow? Nonsense. A girl, a lady, your useless character not make you get husband. Then now you they say they arrest you now they can. The life easy. Why you not get husband for her, for example? If the life were so easy. That to say no easy life is not fair. If your country were to be good, you will be going home every day by day. None of your political chieftains, no traditional chieftains, who have even one day bothered to even do half of what they cannot have done. All of you are doing, okay, they don't arrest and that's not full and yes from killing you. It does not stop it. It does not stop it. This is the beginning of your suffering. Nnamdi Kanu was not there when you were taking your vaccine. When you take for trade, Nnamdi Kanu was not there. Okay, what will be the man problem? I can't get it clear. They can't go to set war. Read your history. Achieve whatever you want to achieve. Leave other people alone. I think problem they come at those saying, how you go work on here? It time one. A position. Why now? There is something that is about to hit the city. Me Allah don't do abu wade why are you? In short, I'm going to update my distance tonight. I've taken this, even the 4th jab. Here you are trying to help people. Do you know what it takes? Do you know the strength that man have lost? Is he doing it for himself? If he needed money, he would have gotten billions of naira, even up to 1 trillion from the federal government of Nigeria. But he chose to turn it down to free you yourself, animal. But all of you, or all of you will be betrayer. Judas everywhere. Judas later killed himself. That Genesis chapter, Luke 22, verse 3. It says, Satan entered into Judas, also called Iscariot, one of the 12. Satan entered. But go and read your Bible. He did not leave to eat the money. When he wanted to later return the money to the people he saw Jesus Christ for, they say it's too late. He went to go and kill himself. Don't think this thing you are doing is going to end like this. Please stop calling. Ali, the man have made, he have tried. He have tried for humanity. Now he make every globally can't even make say Nigeria really bad. Don't you know the Buhari's this thing is about to be exposed? I just pray the new government made this one way they so common. Buhari is about to be exposed. Una don't know what he did before now, so you think you have won. That was how they feel. We succeeded in killing Jesus. That was how they feel. Don't get it twisted. Open up your brain. I want to teach you before I leave right now. That was what they feel. They feel they served Jesus. They sold him out and he died. That was the same thing they feel in the book of Genesis 37. That we succeeded in selling out Joseph. They never know that they just sent him into the promised land. That was how they feel. If you don't know now, no. God worked in a miraculous way. There are mysterious ways God works, but if you can't coagulate and where you will not say something there. I wonder you have your Bible you can't read. That's why a lot of people don't think. It is very difficult for me to live with a lot of people. That's why I will tell somebody today, if there any on that planet, please tell me I want to go, because I don't believe I feast in here. I see people does not use their head. Somebody go see fire. Only this earth, 9 people they jump for fire. They said Joseph, but were they able to say his dream? No. Blafa is a dream, it must come true. If you don't know now, no. If you did and I go quick pass. If you did and I go quick pass, you don't know what God have in stocks. After they succeeded in killing Jesus. But I get the disciple remember what he said in Galilee. It was only in Galilee he told them. He said, this building you are seeing will be destroyed and the 3rd day will be rebuilt again. He was talking about his death and his resurrection. But people don't know. But they patiently waited for that 3 days. The 3rd day, in the book of Matthew 28, verse 2, he said there was a great earthquake and an angel descended from heaven to come and roll away the stone. According to the Bible, he said he sat down on it. A complete work of Calvary. Nnamdi Kanu said he can sacrifice himself for Blafa to be restored. It is a vow he have made and Chineke have registered it, whether you like it or not. You think people, you are 10 years from now. Now summer we there now. At the age of 60 years, 70 years, with can you be able to wear that kind of walk? Can you say your country the way it is now? No. We are not talking about he have his own shortcomings. There are things that he's not doing right. I'm not disputing that. You can insult him for that. But you celebrating his arrest, he showed that you are an animal. Or show where or zuo no makon woman egbe akpahun. Sebo adu azu wo go. Is it you take off the problem? You say na bomana mawe. Who na the kind say na bomana mawe? Who na the kind say me wodoa? Do when not a friend there. Do when not friend of Igbo. You wanted to use Mugu say because everybody spend money for guests. You want catch a Mugu. He not marry you again. Now by force. Won't you look for another boy? When my have mock be about some man alelu. Done on babe. Useless set of people. If I get bad word from mouth. Momo say. If you want me to start reading Bible, yeah, sack go away. Nobody can win me sack. I have what it takes to do the sack. I have what it takes. What you don't have, I have it. I have bad word for mouth. You can also turn this Bible translator. So you people should stop all this your misbehavior and let peace reign in social media. Nonsense. They will never imagine. They were the same thing. They were alive for all these people. So their forefathers were alive when Jesus Christ was apprehended. But today now Jesus Christ now they call upon. A time you go to come, you are going to pray in the name of Funa the Canon. Because the federal government they are going to unleash on you. Only the savior that you have. Because ESF they know they discriminate. They are beguarding everybody. Both their enemy Papao, they save all their farmland. We go to start saving it for you now, then you are happy. You don't know say now because of what Funa the Canon do for East, now made they not come invest out. You don't know that. Did you have anything? Not be a dose now where vigilante police don't they fight. Not be a dose now a mati fet or USA zona. Etu wa only do gwan do tie babo yo ni wa be you wa bon wa megwan ye mati fet wa ni wa gbe o wagun wa gbina. I want you people to fight. I know wa must to gbina. Eva bo wa fie kun le lu wa gbina no wa gbina mo we do settle gbinu wa because hun dan e wa ni bon hiwo way. Useless set of people. They don't think. You don't know when people are fighting for freedom. You don't know what motive behind. Confirm the motive behind what somebody do, not only the action. Okay, this man is always insulting people. What is the motive behind it? He wants you to be free. You only just say that no, cannot be arrested. Yes. What is the motive behind his arrest? Waiting make God allow them, make them feel arrested. Jesus Christ would have been able to vanish. But he gave up himself for the Philistines when they came to arrest him. When Peter cut off somebody's ear, the Jesus Christ that could pick up the ear and fist it back. You see, for not vanish, for not your face, the way Apostle Suleiman they do increase. If I feel do, but he handed over himself for a purpose. But the fact that was all. He was buried, confirmed. They did Jesus Christ autopsy in the palace of Pontius Pilate. He was dead. He was no longer alive. They kept him for some time. Before Joseph Arimathea, one of the disciples, he was rich, who came and said, give me the body of my master so that I go and bury him. Why did Joseph Arimathea came and met Pilate? Because he know that what Jesus Christ said concerning himself, without not being buried, there is no way he can resurrect. If there is no burial, there is no resurrection. So if there is no disprisonment, there is no freedom of breath. If you don't know now, no. You are going to wait with the disciple. We are going to occupy the media. I will go and read more because of this very case. I have to go. You charge me again to go and read more. I start by Una the Canon up to grave. What you want to do and go do. I beg you more go debate me and one of you. I don't create topics in the detriment of other people. I have my own people know me. I got my own topic. I don't sag anybody. Even as I'm sagging you right now, don't you see my quoting Bible? Even as I'm saying something, you calling you all manner of name now that you are an idiot. Don't you think I'm quoting Bible? What is it in the book of John chapter 10 verse 10? He said the thief cometh not but to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Una the Canon came so that you may have life and have it in abundance. He does not pains me because he wants fair happen. The people Jesus Christ came to come and die for was the same people who sold him out. Jesus Christ was the one that chose Judas Iscariot by himself, but Judas Iscariot sold him out. But he never mind. Then why you bother about it? He has said it several times. He said they will kill us. We will kill them at the end. Brafa will come. He has said several times. He prefer to lose his life. So far, may Brafa come. He can cut his head for Brafa. So it has been saying it. I follow him for quite some time. I know the kind of leader he is. So today, Una the Canon know wherever you are. I come a typical son of Igodomigodo. I am with you always, even to the end of the world. I am with you in this very race. What you have done, you brought light to humanity. You wanted to save humanity, but say they're not going to agree. But it won't fair happen to Jesus. He said, greater tribulation you are going to go through. He said, but those that endure to the end will bear the crown of life. For those of you who do follow on the crown will never lose hope. Put on the armor of faith. Waking up your spirit. Begin to do those things you know how to do best. The freedom will come. Freedom is never easy. Remember, Moses left the palace for 40 years after God conquered land for burning bush. It was the people that Moses wanted to liberate that he saw them one day after Moses killed 2 Egyptians and hid them under the sun. When he see them that he left the palace, he went to say, let me go and see the burden of my people, how they are doing. He later found out that they were not okay and Egyptians were rising up against Israel. He killed that 2 Egyptians and hid them under the sun. Then the next day again Moses came out. It was even an Israelite now. 2 of them were fighting. Moses wanted to stop them from fighting. Please don't fight again. You are brothers. Now they come tell and say, you want to come and kill us the way you kill that person the other day? Now, people from Israelite now make Moses no say, yes, we don't go tell Pharaoh saying you kill 2 people. You know people we want to deliver. That was how Moses ran. You know that Pharaoh might have known what's happening. There is a sense at time when you will run from your enemy. There is a sense again why God will later send you back. Moses first of all ran. But he came back again after he encountered God in the burning bush. And God told him, Moses, I'm going to send you to go and meet Pharaoh. He said, Baba God, who am I going to say that sent me? He said, tell him that I am that never failed sent you. He went there again. And Moses will try to give excuse. He said, Baba God, don't you know I'm a stammerer? He said, I know I will give you Aaron as a spokesman. And really they went there. Moses was saying, Baba God say, make I can't tell you, make you let my people go. Was able to deliver the message. Opportunity for Nnamdi Kanu to tell the chief judge what they need to know. I get the whole press in the whole world will be there. Maybe by the grace of God, I pray the new minister of Israel will be there, and Putin also. I just pray for the world leaders who love freedom, and our Baba himself, Donald Trump. I just pray should be aware of this menace you guys are causing. When we send journalists for him to come and veil that he swear with his life, let Buhari come and do DNA. If really Buhari, then who lose then? We don't know what to put on our hand. You think it's all like this? It will not like this. Nonsense. I'm one of his disciples. I'm go tell our government. I be one of his disciples. I'm go tell our brother. Will let me for road. If this fight never enter ground, we not go get sense. Me, I not be ESA, I not be anybody, but me, I pray one day make a jam you for road. You go mon pani agbo can't pass katama. Beat it where he can't pay. See, hey. Now that you know, say Ogbalegbe no dey fit dey draw my fight. Me they need the belt. Please leave us. Deca yo is eso chico. Vamos a pelear un poco. 5 minutos. Just 5 minutes. Make me an affair. And they go leave me and you. Not be crambo too fighting. You be mad, not be crambo. No now. Not be gone no. I not there here. I not be a ye. But we want your fight. We go full ourselves that day. My freedom is why I take the fight. I not there is how they fight. So be very, very careful. All of them, you are celebrating your stupidity. This is a country. Almost about 35 trillion. Your government is owing. No good road. No good road. No basic amenities. Nothing is working. No hospital in Nigeria. You don't have any free medical health care in your country. But you doesn't see anything bad about that. How dare you? Why are you not seeing anything wrong about your fucking countries? You know, get me and that person, you will see surprised today. I see measure and on me why they tell you, not be so I need to play. But wherever thing I'm dishing out, anytime I find out to use and make sentence, make you will be animal for understand. I go talk and you not remove anything come from my body. Or my way say that or see on me go get him with bottle. Itapo, where an amigo or Balies in Italy. I was there, I was the second man. Just you know, claim me second man. I will say me here. Itapo near an amigo. Itapo, Italian Itapo. But he can't fool himself for now. You're not telling the truth. Now this opportunity, now they cannot give all of una. Now make una hate and so. But God said, amigo will give all of una opportunity. He was taking say now simplicity now they do. Before you know that it was stupidity, it was over. Met de kon wewe. On avait me met jamu wewe. Who we are davat. Me at the après me happen one day. Me de guys, I want me por favor. Deka yo yeso tiko. Vamos in 5 minutos, just 5 minutes. Mona just live 2 or 4. He may negotiate yo. Because I want make you beat me. I want give you body beat. Celebrating for what? Johnny the Fulani. How many have they killed before? In 2019, 2018, how many people did they kill? Buhari have never one day addressed you as a president. That one not depend you. He have never one day addressed you as a president. Say, I'll be president. Now so your president for your country, wait for take a duro, made their head, kill you there. Now so they behave. All the fallen heroes in Europe now go call off una. If really what you the count they do, it is not constitutional here even in EU. It go there well with una. If it dey constitutional, una want just to fight for nothing. Say even at this point in time, I see the fight. My dear, if I bought fear kun le lowa. If I bought, all can buy and praise one in Jesus' name. Oh Lord, there is no worry in any. All him me ame you work baby in Jesus. I work him and oh work him ru. Eden I got network in. Wega serve in Jesus. Down work. I'll come the company. Neja wana even do yedo go wagon. You go man working. I never know that you people are just bunch of animals who does not need freedom. No wonder you agree that you are a slave. No wonder. It just be like they keep back talking that time and black American come they happy. The enjoyment you are enjoying today up to the part of Europe, it was Martin Luther King that fought for it. People were the one that who resisted Jim Crow law in the 18th century. People resisted it. Then what you are enjoying today, it does not concern you. Now make the job break, you want to go fabric go in 1,000 euros. The 1,000 we want in, you not read the one way politicians take the bought and pay every weekend. Where they suffer pull so. Go and sleep in your floor flat. For those of you that have kingdom, go to your kingdom. Go to your kingdom and say, leave us here. Go to your kingdom and say, go to your country and say, and leave us here. Because it is what we have learned from here. Bad society irritates us. You can see light everywhere right now. But can you do this kind of a thing in your country? Okay, now bring person Concord. Una say una arrest am. Come on in picture we don't see. How una take time for court to not see? More na kill am, more na wait. Make una kill am. And now Nigeria put themselves for problem. But the people that think very well, they know what's happening. Please, if I see back on, you know what I can do very well. This one, I'm not going to be, whether I'm fake account, just have to write your name for paper. I swear to God, is what I'm going to do. If I see bad comment, you better delete it now. I'm going to write your name on paper. If waiting at the talk about the doing, now so I'll fit this well, now so my own be. I'm going to write your name. I can't drop on for river. Or can work in river. Even the river, they needed freedom. Mommy water, they need freedom. Even devil, kingdom of hell, they need freedom there. What your leader is even doing to you, devil not they do unto his own agent. Angel Lucifer, he treat up his people well. Look at not be so men come to die for sex. So that one, that dinner. Not be person his wife saying, get me go key. I will say that man at the fight for freedom will be better. Then you were there alive. You are not making any impact. All you do is to rigmarole in social media. It shows that you are a bad head now. I will reveal a lot of things in this media. I will reveal a lot of things. Stupidity. Must you celebrate everything? Nonsense. All worker, not play made jacket double. We are at work. When you not believe say we are at work. If we not read there at work, what concern waiting there inside your body? Waiting put on there. How does it go there? Is he giving you nutrition? Because you are an animal, you don't know. That's why you don't even know whether your leader is oppressing you because you are an animal. You are an animal. That's how animal behave. What did they give animal and they give you now? Are you not really a zoo? You are a zoo animal. Una the canoe is right. Wherever he is today is right. Because that is cheap is given to animal and goat. And then they give them to snake. Both carnivorous animal or herbivorous animal. Huh? All of them way don't they a state of residential monopause. Huh? We are talking about freedom. So worried they hang that one there. The two major people will get. Oigbona, only God know. Apart from these three people now, which other person you get where they speak for you? You know, then you are happy. You are happy. If the Nigeria be benefiting you, you will go your embassy, then go kill you. Huh? How many of your tribe do any embassy? Any of you do any embassy for the whole Nigeria? For the whole world, where we do they? If even then, clean I go be. But now the black pass. Now with the situation of Nigeria affect, but because the elite, this useless politician, it does not affect them. But now you they join them. A state whereby if government where I support, if they rule, I go get power. Then the next person I feel beaten for road. That one a state. It's a lawless state. Nigeria is lawless. Me I don't know say na so it be. I will campaign for any idiot. Say because I support governor now, you can't make me get power past the next person. The next person don't fit talk. Or they'll go to destroy property. That one alive. Then you want me to have the same ideology with you? Am I crazy? I feel mad. Nonsense. Opportunity that your country did not give to you, now they give you here. Opportunity that your country never gave to you, now you get for Janso. Now middle of the road that day, so can I do it in Nigeria? If somebody not come claim me, come on for ground and say, nah, Papa be your John way for this street. A woman cried the other day now, land will buy about I think 5.5 million. Not be who now where is he selling for and collect her from her. That one will not be state where you call it your own. Upon say he husband even go bring police. According to what the woman said, the police will lock a government now they lock for a side compound. A state whereby people get power past government. Individual, he lock government. Obaseki should be ashamed of that. That police, they go lock up for a side compound. No one on man say na go. Obaseki should be ashamed of that. May they go destroy that house. For that man to have the infantry, lock a state police, lock them for a side compound. What did that one be? You not count down. I don't not count down as an insult to the state, an individual. Lock a police, lock them for a side compound. Now that will be your state. May I not come from such a state? May I and you take me not come from such a state? Do to the world. That one a state. Lawlessness. Everybody practice lawlessness. You can be killed at any time. A state where Papa go come out, they lay curse on the children. If people see they say me put, then you guys are happy. A state in Ikin. I'm not from Una State too. I'm I either know Kumasi no. Me I you take Dakar in Senegal. I'm from Dakar. If I can change my papa, I swear to God I will do it. I will look for where I can change it. Because one man won't down with him. Because there is no cooperation among you guys. You cannot succeed in such an environment. It's impossible. There is no way someone can ever succeed in such an environment. Very, very impossible. Very, very much more impossible. We can't survive it. According to the woman, he said the police were locked inside the compound. Where individual they get power past government. If you want even embarrass anybody, now police now you go even not be say you they follow that they drag this arrest. You lock them. Obaseki were locked inside a compound. The IG or police or Nigerian were locked inside a compound because you guys are animal. That's why they can lock you inside the compound. Can you lock a policeman here abroad inside your compound? If you even drag self-resist arrest too much, my dear, you go hear yawa. But the person he may be kicking, hating and whatever because may I not belong to a society I don't have freedom of speech. Me retreat my freedom from me. I won't. I'm not a part of that. A part of society. Obaseki was locked in a compound. Is that not a mess on you? 21st century. A police will be locked by one idiot in a compound. Then we don't have the kind of more. The man have already made up his mind that he ready to use what the last blood to get Brafa. He has said it. So more than take a battle and say the same way the women of Jerusalem they will say, you know, be or sorry. He tell them say I bet more than sorry for yourself because the one way they come for now go big fast. And really, UK now they whisper into my ear say it be like say they will give you a third dose, third one, they know what, third one. In our coin, no what. AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Madonna, Johnson, who were in our line where we need Jesus, or to boo one of the lele because we down with him. Me always so me artist on be human being. I don't know say all of them are spirit. Waka wulo neveze. Stupid idiot. Man, no man live a good life. How can you we no man negbe? Where do I go freedom? For what? I will not give you that free land. Nobody force you to join IPOB or join ESN. But like now, me, I don't get time to come to interrupt anybody if they fight for your freedom. That's what I know how to do. I can't start I can start disturbing you. I don't get that appetite. I don't get that appetite. Fight for your freedom. Like people now, they fight for enemy Middle East or whatever. If you fight and finish, I go enjoy with you. Fight time. I cannot come and start distracting you. It is crazy for anybody, somebody fighting for freedom, come to insult the person. As long as don't put something for ground, so now they fight time. Maybe go wagwan, why fight they can't enjoy. A more lead you is why binane maybe do enjoy. At least I protest in Europe and I don't protest. Why if you want me to pray for you, I will pray for you. But why not leave these people alone and fight for your garden life? Imagine where Agbon mama we uma kenuriye, isa moto ume, oh wow, uma deve webo, oh uma tie koke. Okay, why not face your life yourself? Face your life. Everybody got his own problem. Wafi moto na either tire, you want change or you want go pass at you, or you want do insurance, or age they make noise. You should be having your personal problem by now, instead of disturbing other people. Me, I don't see any, and I don't longer funny. Odo do wanna go in sudden, or now go in sudden. So now only just come to relevant now for Nigeria. The rest of that tribe are not relevant. Now you want they relevant. Why not leave these people alone? Whichever way they can fight, they can solve their problem. There are freedom you fight simultaneously. There are freedom you fight using quadratic equation. There are freedom you fight using almighty formula. In whichever formula they choose to fight their freedom, let them fight it. If I'm going to Madrid right now, if I don't want to pass autopista, whether for the pay toll gate, you get where I go pass, I go reach Madrid. From my city here, if I want to go Madrid now, I don't want to pass toll gate. You get where I go pass. You will want pass toll gate, go pass. People are just tired of this suffocation. So let's wait and see how Nigerian government want to do it first. This on your way they tell the one way they come for you. Not to someone banana aru na you do we masafwa. So one oh na man tell you sleep in the night. Why not think about yourself? Gumi is roaming about. Where do they call this Boko Haram terrorist leader said? That one they Savesa Forest that side. Mieti ala dede. Those ones they are not terrorists. Somebody that came and said, please stop killing my brothers. Stop killing our mothers. Now on the fact, who were the see you some other time. Bye.